Where we get Nimesh to tell us what's going on. Nimesh, it's been a very, very good week. The bulls were parting. It seems they've taken a bit of a pause for today. And maybe they resume next week.
A Friday factor, so to speak, Nigel. But again, no complaints because the broader markets have done well. And again, there are a lot of individual names, especially the new F&O entrants. I've been saying for a while now that's where the whole action seems to be. Every day you're seeing newer names in the F&Os, the new entrants, so to speak, buzzing in trade. Classic example is delivery today. That's up 6%, no news. But that's rallying. So there is a bit of interest back in the newer F&O entrants from the retail and HNI category. From a flow perspective, today is a bit of a mixed day. There is a bit of selling in the large cap names, a bit of profit breaking, so to speak. But I understand there's going to be a small MOC basket buying in the mid cap names. So last 30 minutes, you might see further action in the mid cap names. So again, that's the space which is relatively outperforming in the last couple of days. So again, another big macro event seems to be out of the way. The RBI policy is out. We don't have much cues to watch for the next half of the December series. So you might see some fun and games and some action in the broader market stocks. So that's the overall feedback. But today's the outperformance in broader markets is backed by FI buying as well.
All right, Nimesh, what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Well, so in terms of individual names, the first stock is Bajaj Auto. We saw a big cut in the last couple of days, but it's bounced back smartly in today's market, largely because one, a domestic mutual fund is an aggressive buyer, and the sense is that the selling from a large global fund is largely over in Bajaj Auto. The second is a couple of stocks, whether it is delivery-based buying, Indus Towers and as well as Tata Power. Both are buzzing in trade, up to 1% on both the names. But again, the delivery volumes are on the higher side, and I understand the FI buying is resumed in both those names. The third is Jio Financials. Well, the stock has been consolidating. For today, I understand there is an aggressive selling at a leading FI desk, so that's something to track as far as delivery-based selling in Jio Financials. And the last is Vedanta. A big move in the last 40-45 minutes of trade. I guess above 480 there is a bit of breakout as well. Some HNS seems to have bought as well. And for Vedanta, the next big trigger is as and when the record date comes for the demerger. It's still some time away, but that's something which is keeping the stock excited. That is Vedanta Industries.
Okay, all right, got that. Thank you very much, Nimesh, for all the chatter and all the stock buzz. We do have to take a very quick break on that note.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.